Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 213 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast. Hope you're doing wonderful. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about a tactic that you can use to get ideas for creating content that's really, really effective. Before we begin, I want to mention a couple things. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe in iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, wherever you get your podcast from. I'd also like to mention this episode is being sponsored by two websites by Brad Haven, usedvetequipment.com and newvetequipment.com. For over 8 years now, usedvetequipment.com has been helping vets to buy and sell used equipment. Save money when you buy used veterinary equipment, everything from cages, kennels, pumps, x-ray equipment, lasers, ultrasounds, dental equipment, surgery equipment, lab equipment such as Abaxis, IDEX, and Heska, tables, tubs, and sinks. If you have anything that you're looking to sell, be sure to head on over to usedvetequipment.com, where they bring the buyer and seller together. If you're also looking for new veterinary equipment with amazing warranties, head on over to newvetequipment.com. It's where they show you the price up front. They have digital x-ray equipment, dental x-ray equipment, ultrasound equipment, LED surgery lighting, surgery tables, full-size autoclaves. When you go to newvetequipment.com, you'll clearly see the prices on every item for sale. You'll be also able to check out the warranty so that you're able to buy without regret. At New Vet Equipment, they show you the price and they give you a great warranty. All right, so today's episode, we're going to be talking about content. Sometimes it's hard to come up with content ideas that are going to be helpful or interesting or get traction. And so one thing that I really suggest doing is talking to the reception staff and finding out what questions they get repeated over. And I'd say if somebody asks a question at least 5 times, the same question, then it's probably worth having a piece of content about. And there's likely a big list of questions that are constantly over and over again the same thing. And if it's something that is going to be asked a lot, people are probably searching it a lot too. So if you created that piece of content and put it on Facebook and Instagram and then also on YouTube, it would probably get some pretty decent search traffic. The more specific that you get, the less competitive it will probably be. But having this list of ideas that are questions that your clients are actually asking and what they actually want to know, and they're telling you what they want to know because they're asking you these questions, it's a really easy way to generate content. You can use it for email, you can repurpose it and use it and send people to it when they call and ask if it's a really in-depth question. You could say, yeah, absolutely, here's the short answer, but if you want more info, head on over to our YouTube channel and check out this video. I can email it to you, or something like that, especially if you want to do something that's really in-depth or super high quality, that is super informational. So just a quick thought, because I know that a lot of people have trouble with coming up with content ideas, and your clients are already telling you what their questions are and what they are asking for help with. So be sure to listen, get that feedback, and make some great content. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day, everybody.